Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Harshita Alveli. Today we have Muskan with us who is from Uttar Pradesh and she got placed in Cognizant recently. So she's here to share her experience with us. Let's get started. Let's talk to her and get to know about the entire interview process in detail. So hi Muskan.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Very well. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Muskan. Firstly, we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Cognizant. We are very happy for you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
How are you feeling right now, Muskan?
Very amazing. Seriously speaking.
Okay, so yeah, before talking about anything else, could you please introduce yourself, Muskan?
Yeah, for sure. So myself, Muskan Chhabra, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh, as you have told us. Once I have completed my BSc from Dhampur, I have pursued MCA from Ghaziabad, ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad, and right now my second year is going on. And by God's grace, I have just placed in Cognizant at Gen Z profile.
Okay, and what's the package, Muskan?
4 LPA.
4 lakhs per annum. Super, super. That's a nice package, right?
Yeah, very much.
Yeah, so yeah, ready to share your experience with us?
Yes, ma'am, for sure.
So totally, how many rounds were there, Muskan?
Ma'am, there were basically 2 rounds. The first was the cognitive, in which we have aptitude, logical, and reasoning questions based on. And the second was the technical interview. And after that, we have also appeared for HR interview.
Okay.
In which we have just go through the document verification.
Okay, so basically the HR round was nothing but the document verification.
Yeah.
Nothing else was asked. It wasn't a elimination round.
Anji.
So was this an on-campus or an off-campus interview, Muskan?
Ma'am, that was an on-campus.
On-campus interview. Okay, okay. So yeah, tell us about the first round. When did the first round happen, Muskan?
The first round was nearly 4th of September, in the first week of September.
Okay.
I do not remember the date exactly,
Okay,
but
no problem.
Yeah, it consists of 3 rounds, ma'am. With
three sections, right? The first round has 3 sections.
3 sections. The first one was aptitude, and the second was logical, and third was verbal.
Okay.
Yeah, the number of questions were, I guess, 60. And the time was 100 minutes total. 60
questions. You mean to tell 60 questions?
Yeah.
And 100 minutes was given to answer those questions. And do you remember, like, each section had how many questions? 20 each?
Yeah. No, ma'am. That number of questions was different in each section.
Different for every section. But the time was like overall time, not sectional time.
Yes, sectional time was there.
Okay.
But the overall exam was completed in 60 minutes. The section was divided in time as well.
Okay. So first, do you remember like how many questions were there under Quant?
Hanji, ma'am. The aptitude part contains 15 questions in 25 minutes. 15
questions, and the time given was 25 minutes. So you had like more than 1 minute for every question.
Yeah.
Was the time sufficient to answer all the 15 questions?
Yes, ma'am, very much to answer. After completing Quant Masters, I was able to complete every question and each answer was given by me within a time limit.
Super, super. And yeah, so how difficult were those questions?
Those questions were not so difficult, ma'am.
They're quite simple.
After completing the course from Quant Master, it was not very much for me to crack that.
Okay, nice. And do you remember? Do you remember like questions from what topics were asked, Muskan? Under Quant.
Time and work was there. Probability questions were there. Very much questions was there of probability. And logarithms and much more I do not remember, but basically these were the topics there.
Okay. So yeah, tell us about the logical section, Muskan.
From logical section, syllogism was there, ma'am, and coding problem. That code we have to find this. Yeah, coding decoding was there, and number series also was there.
Okay.
You taught us
blood relations, directions, data sufficiency. All this was there?
Blood relation was not there, ma'am. But yeah, data sufficiency
was there. Okay, so how about these questions? How many were there and what time was given for the logical section?
Logical section contains 25 questions in 35 minutes.
35 minutes. So 25 questions here. And how difficult were these questions? You were able to solve all the questions in the given time?
Yes, ma'am, I was able.
Okay.
Somewhat at last, I was quite difficult for me because there were some sitting arrangement questions. So
Okay.
it became quite hard for me to complete all the questions in time.
Okay.
So I just
Fine, fine. So yeah, then the next section, verbal section.
the verbal section contains ma'am antonyms, synonyms like question, jumble arrangements of the question,
Okay.
and so many. One paragraph was there also,
Okay.
and the number of questions was 20 in 20 minutes.
20 questions, 20 minutes. So here time was sufficient. Was the passage lengthy?
Yeah, it was quite lengthy, but
Okay.
it was able to
Okay.
complete.
So you could save some time in the other questions and you could solve these questions also, the passage
And
questions.
we were
Overall, the
able
time was
to-
sufficient. Okay.
Yeah.
So this happened in the first week of September 2021.
Yeah.
Okay. So when did you get to know that you were shortlisted for the next round?
Ma'am, nearly 15th of September, I was able to know that I have shortlisted for the next round.
So you had to wait for a week or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Then when was the second round conducted?
The second round was, ma'am, at 23rd
Okay.
of September, the technical round. And the next round we have got the results, and we get to know that we have selected for the HR
No, tell
round.
us about the technical round. No? What questions were asked?
Questions. The technical round was very easy, ma'am, I must say, but it's very interesting as well.
Okay.
The HR was very impressive after listening my interview, but I was quite nervous at that time.
Okay.
The questions he asked were very tricky and quite difficult for me to answer initially.
Okay.
Firstly, he asked me about my introduction, and then he asked about a code to write of a random number. Initially, it was not able for me to get what he was trying to say. Then I asked politely again. Then he replied me because he was from south, so and I am from north, ma'am. So it was quite difficult for me to understand what he was trying to say.
Okay.
So initially it was difficult, but after that we were able to communicate with each other very smoothly.
Okay.
He asked me about inheritance,
Mm-hmm.
Java, and OOPS concept, and after that he asked me about overriding and overloading method in Java, because I have told him that I am going to write code in C or C++. So he asked me questions about Java, as I have written it in my resume. So he was trying to let me know if I know the Java or not. I have just written it in resume. So he was just trying to know if I lied in the resume or not.
Okay.
After that, he asked me about my certificates, which I have written in the resume.
Okay.
That they are true or not, just to know that. So I just mentioned all of them. After that, he started asking the questions about my project, which I have completed from an organization called Edurica, web development course. And then at that time I was just going on that course, but I have just completed it now. So firstly he asked about the project, and then he asked about the web page that I have mentioned in my resume.
Okay.
Because I have not completed any project in my BSc. So I have just mentioned those two things, which I have just completed before the interview.
Okay. So yeah, then anything else was asked?
At last he was just impressed, and nothing, he doesn't ask anything else.
So it went quite simple. It was quite simple.
It was quite simple.
What was the duration of this round, Muskan?
Ma'am, only 15 to 20 minutes was there.
15 to 20 minutes. That's it. Nice.
But only one thing we have to consider in this interview, that we should not lie neither in our resume nor in front of HR. If I would
whatever
lie,
you know, just mention those things in the resume and also do tell the same.
Yeah.
So this happened on 23rd September. And when was the final results out? So you had one more HR interview, right?
Yeah, HR interview.
When did you get to know that you are shortlisted for the HR?
For HR, I got on 23rd or 24th, we get the result. And after that, we have mentioned that we have an HR round on 27th of September. So we were quite nervous because we have not mentioned any HR round there, because he has some more questions from other students also of HR. So we were confused that what is going to happen now.
Okay.
So before a night, that is on 26th of September, we get a message that from college that we have an HR round on the next morning on 27th of September, and the final result was announced on 6th of October.
Okay, so HR round was just document verification round,
Yeah,
nothing
it was
else.
just document verification.
Okay, so within few days you got to know. You didn't have to wait for long.
And in this HR interview, we have just mentioned our document verification will be only the 10 mark sheet, PAN card, and Aadhaar card, nothing else.
Super, super. So that was your interview experience with Cognizant.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Very impressive and
nice,
amazing.
nice, nice. So yeah, do you have any tips or suggestions to your friends and juniors, Muskan?
Yeah, only one thing I would like to mention, ma'am, that do not copy any resume. Just do whatever you want to and mention only those things that you have learned, nothing else. And do the same in the technical interviews.
Okay, and since you are a student of Quant Masters, would you like to tell how was your journey with Quant Masters, Muskan?
And that was amazing. By God's grace, I get to know about this course. And after learning from it, I just went from here to here. I find myself. And that day and night shift, the classes in the morning and in the night, evening, that were awesome. I must say that was the best decision I have taken in my life. I must say.
Thank you so much. We are happy that we could help you. And yeah, and also thanks for being here, sharing all the information with us, Muskan. Your experience will definitely help students who are trying to get placed in Cognizant.
Hope so, ma'am, for sure. For you.
Congratulations once again. All the very best for your
Thank you
future,
so much.
Muskan.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.